Hello students, this is Rupendra Soni from Macrovision Academy, now solving question number 30. Out of 6 members panel sitting in a row facing the north, U is to the left of V but to the right of W. Okay, so this is the question of sitting arrangement. Okay, who is to the left, who is to the right of X? Okay, Y is at the right of Z, who is at one of the ends. Find the members sitting right in the middle. So this is the question. Now let's solve it. First of all, I have to draw a row. Okay, this is the row and 6 members are sitting facing north. So this is the north direction. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the 6 member panel facing north. Now the question is saying that U is to the left of V. So U is to the left of V, means left means this direction and right means this direction. Okay, right means this direction. So U is to the left of V. This is V and left of V will be here. So U is sitting here like this, but to the right of W, means the U is sitting to the right of W. Okay, this is the next arrangement. Now who right of W, who is to the right of X. So W is to the right of X. Listen, learn it again, learn it again. U is to the left of V but to the right of W, who is to the right of X, like this. So this arrangement we did according to the question given. Now next is Y is at the right of Z. Y is at the right of Z. So this is Z and this will be Y. This is the arrangement we have to do. Now what is the question? Who is at one of the ends? Means Z is at the one of the end. Okay. Find the members sitting right in the middle. So we have to find out the members who are sitting in the middle. So the correct answer for this question is XW, that is option number C. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now let's move further to the question number 32. How many such pair of letters are there in the word excitement? Okay, each of which has as many letters between them in the words as there are between them in the English alphabet. Okay, so first of all, the question, what the question is saying, for example, this is the word excitement. Okay, just a minute. Excite, T-E-M-E-N-T. This is the correct spelling. Okay, so now what we have to do in this question, we have to find number of letters or number of letters which are as placed in this arrangement and having same number of positions, that is in alphabetical order. For example, the alphabetical order of C, D, E, how many letters are there in between E and C? Only one. Okay, so here we have also only one letter between E and C. So this is our first order. Okay, now next thing is we have to check from, check this from I to E. Let I change the color. I to E. Okay, C, E, we have alphabetical order F, G, H and I. So in between I and E we have 3 letters. In the same way we have 3 letters here also. And next arrangement can be, let I change the color. See this one, I to N. Okay, you can also do this like I, J, K, L, M and N. So there are 4 letters in between I and M. In the same way, in this arrangement of the letter, we have also 4 letters. Okay, that is T, E, M and E. So how many arrangements we have got? 3 arrangement. This is first one, this is second one and this is third one. Okay, so correct option for this question will be option number B. Okay, now moving further, the question number, now next question will be question number 34. It is being asked, if the first and third digit in each of the following numbers are interchanged and then the numbers are arranged in descending order, what will be the middle digit of the middle number? Okay, so first what they asked, we have to change the order of first and third digit. We have to reverse them. For example, first one is 613. We have to write it as 316. Okay. Then 432 will be written as 234. And 573 will be written as 375. 485 will be written as 584. 907 will be written as 709. Okay, this is the way we will write this. Now we have to arrange them in descending order. Okay, means what? First we will write the greatest digit, that will be 709. After that the smaller one, second greatest, 584 will be there. Then 375 will be there. Okay, and after that 316, then the last 234 will be there. So now the question is, what is the middle digit of the middle number? So middle number we have is this 375. So middle number is 375 and middle digit is 7. Correct option will be 7. Option number D. Okay. Now move